This is our new mini glow lamp. Here's how it comes to you in the box. I'm just going to open it up and show you how to get it together. Power source. We can turn that on and off. Photographs to follow. But what you do get with this is customization options. You can choose which sticker you want to put round the side here. There's a little indent which allows perfectly for the sticker of your choice, and you can choose the one you want according to your car or your mood. There's one for every colour. Terracotta, olive, and the aqua. There's a grey one, and then there's slightly more jolly ones with detail here. You'll recognise these patterns from the Giggles fabric and the original seat fabric here as well. The best way to cut these out is with a sharp pair of scissors. Side note, I use a scalpel for a lot of jobs, and it's nice and sharp as long as you've got a fresh blade on, but not everyone has one of these hanging around. I've always got a scalpel in the studio, so there's always one to hand. However, sharp scissors will do the trick because we're doing curves, and scissors are really good for curves. So I'm going to choose this design here, and you'll see, hopefully, there are very fine cut lines on the edges here. If you follow those fine grey cut lines, you should have no problem at all. Scissors allow you to rotate, go slowly, cut carefully, and turn the paper with your left hand as you cut with your right, or vice versa if you're left-handed, rather than trying to turn the scissors. That's the tip I always give. And little snip marks on the end here, and then let's do the other side. Cut to the very edge. These single colour designs have a dark panel on the bottom. Should make it fairly forgiving for cutting out. There we go. I'm just going to neaten up the edge there. There's a little bit of white left. Okay, ready to apply. The stickers are printed on self-adhesive vinyl, so not only are they quite robust, they are fairly light proof as well. In time they will fade, but that's just like every car and its paintwork, as we know. And so to that end, the colours are slightly knocked back with a touch of fading in the middle, so they already look like they've been in the sun for a little while. And you can peel the back off, just turn over a corner until you get that flippy up bit at the end. These will come to you nice and clean. They've all been cleaned with a little alcohol just to make sure this sticking surface is ready to go. Just have a little check for any dirt or finger marks. It will help the vinyl stick better. And then hold it dead in front of you, dead centre of the label here. Start in the centre and line that bottom line up with the little ridge. Don't start sticking till you're satisfied. And although it looks like it should curve up, it actually is designed to fit perfectly around the slightly tapered right fitting. Okay, there we go. And at the end, there is a slight overlap. Just make sure that edge is tucked well in. Because it's vinyl and not paper, it will stretch, so good to give the vinyl a little tug as you pull it into place and get that in down. And then when you get to the end, you can have the full overlap if you like, or if you prefer, you can trim the end. It will go on perfectly, but I'm just going to trim that and line that up perfectly with the bit underneath. Push it down firmly, and there we are, a personalised dashboard lamp. Gives you a nice gentle glow in the car.